chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken macaroni. Hello, bike family, I have missed you. Are you guys ready to do some spicy things today? To Spicy Boy? That's right, I want to do some things to Spicy Boy today to make him look a little bit better. Just some minor things, just got some cosmetic things I want to do. First thing is this thing, this thing. I want to take this piece off because I want to spray paint it to match the wheels because I think that would be just a better aesthetic from like the front if this was also like a reddish color, don't you think? Like I've seen pictures of other MT07s with that and I like it, so I want to do that to mine. Second thing that sticks out like a sore thumb is the lever. We have one aftermarket one and one original stock OEM one, so those are both gonna go and we're gonna put on a nicer pair that's sitting over there. I'll show you later. And then the third and exciting thing, I'm going to customize my throne with the help of Louis Moto. So I asked you guys for suggestions earlier about what I should do to the seat because there's like a ding on one side of it and I want to cover that up. I also kind of wanted to look a little bit better. Some of you guys suggested different options, but in the end, I knew that all I wanted to do was just get a seat covered that looks nice. I looked around to see what was available and honestly, like nothing beats Louis Moto. They got the best looking stuff. So I reached out to them, they wanted to partner with me and here we are. Beautiful seat covers. I'm gonna, okay, hold on. They come packaged super nicely, put that aside. And I got one for the pillion seat and one for my butt. Oh my God, you guys, look at this stitching. It matches Spicy Boy, like to a T. To a T, that's so perfectly matched. I love it. It looks so nice with this carbon fiber design. The stitching is freaking immaculate. I can't wait to get some slow-mo shots of Spicy Boy with the new seat on. I'll do a before and after. Oh, it's gonna look so good. So good. By the way, you can also get like custom things embroidered on your seat if you want. They gave me that option, but I didn't want it. But I was thinking about getting Spicy Boy written on it. I don't know if that would have been a bit much. Actually, we're gonna do this installation inside because it's easier to work if you have a table in front of you, so yeah. They have an instructional video that you can watch online if you wanna know how to install it. I have the option of either taking the original OEM cover off by taking out all the staples that are underneath and then just installing the new one, or just leaving this one on as long as you don't have like any visible seams. So I think I'm gonna do that because the passenger seat, if you take this off, this I'll take off. This one doesn't have any seams, and then my seat only has this seam back here, and it actually matches up really well with it, so I don't think it's gonna show. So I think I'm gonna leave the original seat cover on my throne as well, and just put this one over it, and let's see how it goes. Now the fun part is staple gunning it down. I'm sorry ahead of time, Duchess, you might get scared because the staple gun's kind of loud. He's kind of loud. Duchess says hi. Maybe I should put him on the camera thing. Actually, I don't know that this staple gun is gonna work because it's not pneumatic, so it's not that high powered. It's like for light, crafty type junk, not like plastic. But I'll give it a try. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, I don't think that this bad boy is gonna be able to do that for me. So, okay, I guess BRB, I gotta go get a different staple gun. We're gonna go and look for a pneumatic staple gun because that one's not cutting it. I tried again, I tried pushing really hard down. It would only get the staples in like a fourth of the way. That's not gonna cut it. So we're trying again. We're back. I've acquired the necessary tools, but I've never actually used a pneumatic stapler, so I'm gonna figure that out. Either way, hopefully this thing's better than the electric one because that one was crap. I gotta be doing something wrong because there's no staples coming out, so let me figure out what I did wrong. I literally don't know what I did wrong. Airbrush is good. Oh, gotta get the freaking manual. Okay, so good news, the staple gun works. Got it working. However, the staples that I bought for it are way too long. They go all the way through the plastic, which is good, but they also poke into the foam like way too much. If I push my finger on the other side of the foam, you can like feel it through. So that's a no. Yeah, here's the problem. Here's the staples that are in the seat. I took one out to see how long they should be. And here's the ones that I bought. Whoops. Back to the drawing board. Okay, through the magic of editing, it is now the next day and I have the correct size staples this time, so we're gonna give this another go. Oh my god, that looks so good, you guys. Check this out. Oh, I basically just followed the direction of the manufacturer's staples on the back to get it to line up and stapled in between them. Oh, I can't wait to put my butt on this. All right, time for the passenger seat. All right, there's the fitted seat. It looks so good as well. Oh my gosh, thank you Louis Moto for this. This is amazing. I can't wait to see what it looks like on the bike. And on top of that, I learned to use a new tool today, so that's always good. All right, put this little strap on here as well. Let's go put them on the bike. I will give you guys a better view in a second. Just let me get this on. I'm like so excited, I'm panicking. I can't even like screw these bolts back in. Oh, it looks so good. So good. And it feels really nice too, like to the touch. There's different materials. I'm really happy with how that turned out. Like, look at this stitching color. It's spot on to what the wheel looks like. That's awesome. I'm so happy. Thank you again, Louis Moto, for sending the seat covers out to me. I really appreciate it. Spicy Boy looks excellent. I couldn't be happier. If you guys want to check out Louis Moto's seat covers, I'll have a link to the one that they made for me in the description. They make bike seat covers for almost any bike, so hit them up. Okay, we also have to fix Spicy Boy's face here and give him a little bit more like a vampire fang. So let's take this off and paint it red. I'm going to finish with some gloss clear. All right, there it is. Spicy Boy's new fangs. How do we like his new vampire teeth? I think they're good. I don't know, I just like that it gives a little bit more color from the front. There, it's not just like one long thing of black with nothing to break it up. This looks way better, I think. Okay, we have levers to do next. I got these two from good old eBay. They say MT07 on them, which I think is cool. And I think they'll look nice. Okay, for reference, I put the 10 right on top of the seltzer pack. It's on top of the seltzer pack. Don't forget. I will be meeting you later. I was looking at the clutch cable the other day and I saw, I'm like, oh yeah, it's about time to replace that. And I'm looking at it now, definitely time to replace it. I don't even know if I should put the other shorty lever on there right now, to be honest. Yeah, I might not put the other lever on there for now. Like, I knew the clutch cable needed to be replaced. I could see it, but I didn't realize like this much of it was frayed. So, but I want to leave you guys off with like a quick thought. Working on your bike is therapeutic, despite it also being frustrating. Like you saw, not everything goes right all the time, but it's like a reprieve from the other things that I have to do in my life that just annoy me, like school. Not that they annoy me, but it's like a nice break from what I'm usually doing, which is sitting in front of the computer, like doing bioinformatics analysis on leukemia samples. So working on Spicy Boy helps me take a break. It helps me sort of to find a balance, even though I feel like I almost never have time to work on Spicy Boy because of other things that I need to do and stuff that I have going on. So I'm glad that I was able to work on him today. The seat looks good. The front piece looks good. The one lever that I have on looks good. And the other one will look good in a little bit. I hope you guys still have some warm riding weather. I don't know how long it's gonna take for the clutch cable to come in. If I can find it on Amazon, probably a couple days, but if I can't, then maybe a little longer. It's getting a little bit colder here in Pennsylvania. Some days are definitely too cold to ride, and then like other days, like last week we had like high 70s all week, and I'm like, okay, I mean, I'm not complaining, but it's a little weird. Usually it's much colder this time of year. So I hope wherever you guys are, you're at least getting a little bit better riding weather than we are here, because here it seems to be like all over the place and you never know what you're gonna get the next day. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It really helps me in the YouTube algorithm out, and I will see you all in the next one.